Red. Blue. Green. Ghost, come! Ah! Let's play. 1, 2, and 3. Red rabbit. Red egg. Oh.
Mr. Cat was flying way up high, but he soon got into trouble. Marama, meow, meow, meow. But he soon got into trouble.
1, 2. And 3. Blue rabbit. Blue egg. Oh.
Underneath the button, that cooking had found. Leave the little mouse. So tiny and so small. So tiny and so small. Was the little mouse.
1, 2, and 3. Green rabbit. Oh. Green egg. Ah.
Mary had a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. His fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
The Cuquin app is entertaining and perfect for any place, even during trips or in offline areas. Download it on the App Store.
Oh. Oh. Ha. Oh. Huh? Ah.
Hello, Cuquin. Do you know what's inside the boxes?
Oh.
Animals. Do you want to see them? To know which animal starts with the vowel A, you need to write it down.
Ha. Huh? A.
Try try again. Follow the lines.
A. O. A. Ant.
That's right. A is for ant. Don't you know which animal begins with an E?
E.
I think you wrote too many lines. Why don't you do it again?
E. Wow! E. Elephant.
Great. E is for elephant. Do you know of any animal that starts with an I?
I. Oh. Wow! Oh. I. Iguana.
Good, Cuquin. Yes. I is for iguana. Let's see. What animal begins with the vowel O?
Oh. Wow! Oh, octopus.
Very good. O is for octopus. Which animal starts with the vowel U?
U.
It just looked more like an O than a U. Why don't you try again?
U. Oh. Wow! Unicorn.
Of course, U is for unicorn. Now you know the vowels and the animals.
A is for ant. E is for elephant. I is for iguana. O is for octopus. U is for unicorn. The vowels!